To enable or disable zoom on iPhone 17e, first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Over here in settings, scroll down a little bit and then proceed to accessibility. In here, we should be able to find the zoom option, and we can easily enable and disable that option just by tapping on the switcher. So as you can see, if you turn it on or turn it off, then you might see this this huge zoom, which might be a little bit intuitive at first, because as you can see, there is nothing you can do in order to zoom in or zoom out. But what you can do is you can use 3 fingers in order to change the position of the zoom. So as you can see here, we can move up and down, left and right a little bit. Here we can also read how to navigate with the zoom or how to properly use it. So let me show you. So we can double tap 3 fingers to zoom. So if I double tap 3 fingers, as you can see, I can zoom out and zoom in quite easily. I'm not sure why iPhone immediately zooms all the way in, which might be scary at first. People might think that something went wrong or something, but we can double tap with 3 fingers, as you can see, to quickly toggle the zoom while it is activated. With 3 fingers, as I said, we can drag around the screen, and you can double tap 3 fingers and drag to change the zoom. So if I activate the zoom, then I tap and hold, and then I can move up and down my 3 fingers to adjust the zoom quite easily. By the way, here we can also find additional settings such as the maximum zoom level and so on and so forth. So of course you can adjust that if needed, and if you want to completely get rid of this feature, then just turn it off in here. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.